Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this CARES Act Small Business Grant round 3 of $7,500. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that in this video I will take you on a tour of this grants application, as well as I will tell you all the upsides and the downsides, including the eligibility criteria step by step. And you know that the other word for grant is free money. It means you won't have to pay back a single penny to anyone. So please like this video. It helps grow the channel and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here is an amazing opportunity right in front of you, and this time is for Colorado and from Broomfield, Colorado. Yes, you can get right here assistance, or you can say a small business grant of up to $7,500 to eligible businesses located in Broomfield, Colorado. Yes, you can use these funds for pretty much anything, and remember there are some eligibility criteria that you need to fulfill, and in order to do that you need to take some specific steps. So I will take you on a tour of this small business grants application, as well as I will tell you each and everything that you need to know in order to apply for this small business grant. So now let's see the PDF file that they have. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description as well. So I'm going to take you step by step and tell you step by step what are the eligibility criteria and what are the steps you need to take. So now let's see, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as you click on it, this page will open right here. And remember, as I already told you, that you will be able to get a grant of $7,500 right here per business. Yes, you can do that, and there are some certain criteria and eligibility criteria that you need to fulfill. So let's see the overview of this program. So yes, right here, the businesses who are located under the premises of Broomfield, Colorado will get an assistance of up to $7,500, and it says the business must be located and operating under Broomfield. So keep that in mind. The business has to be in good standings with the city and the county of Broomfield. It means that you shouldn't be defaulted on taxes or other sort of things with Secretary of State. So keep that in mind. You must be providing services to Broomfield residents or producing goods for them. So keep that in mind. If you are falling in this category, then you are good to go. You should have no less than 2 full-time employees, and which one must be non-related person. So keep that in mind, right? The other one that they require you to actually show the proof of your loss, so you can actually show them your profit and loss statement or your bank statement, which will show the loss and revenue of your 2020 business term. And then of course they will be asking a summary of your accounts or financial resources. If you have any liquid assets, you need to disclose them. The application must demonstrate a business strategy. If you are a returning business, means you are already closed and you are trying to open again, so of course you need to show it. And the business plan should highlight both how the business will or is surviving in this immediate market disruption of 2 to 3 months because of pandemic. They also need the evidence of access to the commitment of other capital resources to ensure business sustainability, such such as letter of commitment, financing lender, or equity investors. So yes, I don't think so you need to go such in detail when it comes to these things. If you are able to show the profit and loss statement, I believe you will be good to go. The last one and the most important one is the explanation of intended use of business support. You can actually use these funds for anything such as payroll, inventory or supplies, lease or rent, or utilities. You need to actually tell them that, hey, this is the problem that I'm facing, and that's where I'm going to allocate the funds. And so preferences will be given to locally owned operated business, so keep that in mind. And I believe the last one, it doesn't make any sense, because of course you can only be eligible for this grant if you are operating under Broomfield, Colorado. So yes, so term of grants funding. So any business receiving business support grants shall commit to achieving employment level of at least 50% of the February 2020 employment. So keep that in mind within 60 days of business grant award. So keep that in mind. This is really important because they will be actually asking you for that. So they say exactly in the second one that all grants funds should be solely used for the success of the Broomfield located businesses. So keep that in mind. Of course, if you are located under Broomfield, Colorado, then you are good to go. You can do that. Other terms may be identified as part of the funding award. So there are the things. So I just wanted to tell you about this one though. So now let's see the application, how it looks like, and what you need to do in order to apply for this small business grant. So I'm going to click on the application now. So here's the countdown: 3, 2, 1. Let's click. So as soon as you click on it, this form will open. This is the application's first part. So right here, they're going to ask you in the first one, has your business incurred expenses related to ensuring public safety in response to pandemic? You have to click yes. And of course, priority will be given to the business they are proactively adopting and innovating in order to prevent through this pandemic. Of course, you can do that. So you need to actually describe that why are you going to have these funds and what sort of effect you had on your business. Then they require your business name. If you're owners, then of course your name, number of full-time employees you have, number of your full-time employees, your current one, the previous one is for February 2020 when the pandemic hit, according to them, right? And then of course they need the business location right here, your city, state, and zip code. And remember, when it comes to the phone number, I always ask you and tell you and advise you to put your own personal phone number, because if they need to contact you, the call will directly come to you. Then they require your email address, and of course then in the next one they will actually ask some internal business questions. I'm not going to get into the detail of that because those are some internal questions, so you can actually fill it out according to your business category. So thank you so much, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember to like this video. It helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. I'm also going to upload the grants from other states as well, so please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.